Like you don't care.
Say hey to the camera, Tanya.
Hey.
Leave me alone.
She already
She about to cry.
Yeah, yeah, she better cry.
No, I'm not about to cry.
Why your eye watery?
Water.
Because I'm nervous. He's about to stab my nose.
You getting on the left side?
No, right.
Right side. You're a punk.
Okay, I'll be that.
Yeah.
All these pretty girls tooted.
See the mark? That's what it's going to be at.
It's gonna be like a little diamond.
It's a little stud.
What I got?
So it's a plain stud.
Well, it's a little bit bigger than mine.
You switch out after 4 to 6 weeks.
Oh, okay. Turn around. Girl, no.
You need to stop.
I'm not gonna do that when you're doing it.
That's gonna be on your nose.
I'm not gonna do that when he don't know how to do it. I'm gonna get titties on top of my titties.
What? Where the hell did that come from?
I like the Tinkerbell titties. Right there.
Titties on top of your titties?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna tell you on your titties. What this does is put back pressure on your skin so that puts the needle through.
Okay.
Just close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Deep breath. Exhale.
Oh shit. Oh, got now. Shit, girl, that sad meat, girl. I'm about to cry for your ass.
She gonna drop a tear.
How you done, girl? I am.
You scared the shit out of me.
You recording it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Done.
Oh.
And that's $20. In about 4 to 6 weeks, you can switch out.
Okay.
I killed mine.
Me, huh?
I killed mine. I killed mine.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep it for a while. Right, thank you.
No
It
problem.
wasn't that bad.
Let me see.
You have my phone with you. You gonna call me? You stopped it.